Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Gemini to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just manage your assets better, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Before we start, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Coinbase, and that you have some XRP in your Gemini wallet. Also, keep in mind that crypto transfers can involve fees and wait times, so plan accordingly. First things first, log into your Gemini account. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your XRP wallet. Here, you'll find the Withdraw or Send option. Click that to get started. You'll need to enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Next, you'll have to provide the destination address. Head over to your Coinbase account, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully into the Gemini withdrawal form. Coinbase might show a specific address for XRP, so ensure you're using that one to prevent any issues. After entering the details, Gemini will ask you to confirm the transaction. Review everything: the amount, the address, and any fees involved. Once you're happy, hit Confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security, always a good idea in the crypto world. Now, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Coinbase account to confirm the XRP has arrived. If you run into any problems, both platforms have support resources to help. And there you have it. Transferring XRP from Gemini to Coinbase is that simple. This process keeps your assets moving securely, but always stay vigilant with your private keys and passwords. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.